to try?
Conjugate.
The conjugate. Anytime you see square roots, that might be your first guess. Okay, so I have square root of x plus 5 minus square root of 5 over x. What is the conjugate there? Square root of x plus 5 plus square root of 5. Remember, it's the exact same thing, only the middle term is switched. Yes? No? Come back to us from last year. That x plus 5 is still x plus 5. Don't change it. Now remember, up top you are distributing. Okay? So be careful here. You'll notice as you do a bunch of these, they'll end up the same way. But when I distribute this to this, what will I get? What's the square root times square root? You'll just get x plus 5. Right. They'll cancel, correct? Now distribute that to here, and I'll get plus, and I'll just leave it square root of 5, square root of x plus 5. Yes, I could multiply those insides, but you'll see why I don't do that in a second. Because when I multiply these two, I get minus square root of 5, square root of x plus 5. Multiply the last two, what will I get? What? Yep, minus 5. And you see what happens? Cancel, cancel. Now on the bottom, once again, leave the bottom alone. If we get stuck, we'll actually distribute that. But if you use the conjugate, those middle two terms should cancel every time. That's why we use the conjugate. Because notice up top, no more square roots. At the limit, x goes to 0. What's left up top? Just x. Those 5's cancel, cancel. And you see why we left the bottom unfactored? Cancel, cancel again.
I keep putting limit equals.
It'll take some practice. So x is cancel, cancel. I'm left with limit, x goes to 0, 1 over the square root of x plus 5 plus square root of 5. Okay, so I did all that work and cleaned it up. Now, can I plug in? Yes. What will I get? Which is what? 2 square root of 5. But we're not going to leave it like that, right? We don't leave square roots on the bottom. Times square root of 5, square root of 5. They really have square root of 5 over what?
2.
Over 10. 2 times 5. So here's one if you were using your calculator to graph or table. That's square root of 5 over 10. There's no way you would see that on the graph or table. Have to use algebra.
Pretty good at spotting.